Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Educational Hub. Starting a research project can feel overwhelming. You may find it difficult to narrow a broad topic into a clear, focused research question. On top of that, searching for reliable academic sources and organizing each section of your paper can create even more confusion. Sometimes these challenges can stop your progress before you truly begin working on your idea. In this video, we'll explore how a single AI-powered tool called Gitway can help simplify this entire process, from shaping a strong research idea to structuring your paper effectively and finding credible references with confidence. This tool is designed to support you at every stage of your research process, from generating fresh ideas and narrowing down your topic, to crafting a strong research proposal and developing a fully structured, human-like manuscript. Everything can be done in one place. You can find the link to the tool in the description below. Once you try it, you'll be surprised at how effectively it helps you shape complex research questions and transform challenging ideas into clear, well-written academic content. Once you open the tool using the link in the description, you'll notice that Gatsby does much more than simple writing assistance. It's designed to boost your research creativity and innovation. Its built-in AI agent helps you generate research ideas, shape them into solid concepts, and guide you through drafting full scientific papers. Beyond that, it can assist with screening and synthesizing literature, conducting systematic literature reviews, SLRs, and even performing meta-analyses, all within a single platform. You have the flexibility to either use the downloadable desktop version or the web-based version, depending on your preference. The platform also provides step-by-step tutorials to help you understand each feature clearly, whether your goal is to write a scientific paper, patent your innovation, or carry out a systematic review or meta-analysis. These three features are especially powerful, and in this video, I'll demonstrate how they can make your research writing process smoother, faster, and more professional. As you can see, the platform supports you in developing structured research frameworks, like an AI research blueprint, generating complete research papers, creating patent disclosures, and conducting systematic reviews and meta-analyses, all within one integrated system. To get started, simply click on the web version. The tool will then ask you to choose the task you want to perform. For example, if your goal is to refine a research idea, you can select the Innovator option. In this section, you provide a few basic details about your initial idea, and the system helps you narrow it down into a clearer, more focused research topic. After refining your idea, you can move to the Writer section to begin drafting your paper. Later, you can also use the Review feature to improve clarity, structure, and academic quality. So first, I'll click on Start with Innovator and enter my basic research idea to begin the refinement process. Once I enter my initial idea, the tool generates multiple refined concepts that help me clearly define and professionalize my topic. Algorithmic bias in social media feeds and its influence on adolescent mental health disparities. It also performs a primary analysis of the key terms I provide. For instance, it breaks down primary analysis, user profiling modules, collect behavioral data, content repositories, store posts, ads, and videos, engagement metrics trackers, measure likes, shares, and recommendation engines, rank content, and ad placement algorithms, monetize feeds. Component analysis. As I move forward and add more essential details from my side, the tool generates even more comprehensive, literature-backed research ideas. Each proposed idea is supported with relevant academic references, which strengthens the credibility of the concept from the beginning. Once the idea is clearly refined and supported by references, I can then proceed to the writing stage and start developing the full research manuscript. When you move to the writing stage of your research, Gatsby offers two major and highly powerful features. These allow you to write either a full research paper or a comprehensive review or meta-analysis paper. The Gatsby Writer is a unique and standalone feature specifically designed for academic writing. You can use it to draft any type of research manuscript, whether it's an original research article, a review paper, or even a meta-analysis. It helps you structure each section properly, maintain academic tone, and develop a well-organized, publication-ready document with clarity and professionalism. No matter what stage your work is in, whether you have raw research data, a drafted methodology, or completed clinical study results, you can input a brief summary of your work into the platform and receive structured writing support. By providing your research background and key findings, you can use Gatsby's built-in paper writing system to transform your material into a polished academic manuscript. Importantly, this writing feature works independently and does not require you to use the Innovator section first. Each core feature of Gatsby functions on its own. For example, the Reviewer module helps you develop a well-structured systematic literature review or meta-analysis with proper organization and academic flow. Similarly, the Writer module assists in drafting full research papers, while the Innovator module focuses on refining research ideas and building strong research proposals. You can choose any of these three features separately, depending on your specific research needs. Here, I enter the core content of my study, including the research background, methodology, key results, and other essential details. The tool first analyzes and summarizes the information to create a structured draft based on the context of my work. It organizes the background, clearly presents the methods, interprets the results, and then moves toward generating a complete manuscript. Before finalizing, I can select the desired word count and then click on Write Paper Manuscript. Within seconds, the system produces a fully developed academic paper. It includes a professionally crafted title, a well-structured abstract, and content written in a formal, scholarly tone suitable for publication. As you progress, you'll notice that the tool organizes your paper into fully structured sections. The introduction comes with clickable references, allowing you to easily check the original sources. Moving on, the literature review isn't just plain text. It includes detailed scientific discussions, complex equations, tables, and data that reflect a high-quality academic paper. Each section is carefully designed to maintain professional standards, making it a strong first draft that you can refine further. Using Gatsby's Humanize feature, you can rephrase AI-generated content into a more natural, human-like writing style. The conclusion section is also well-structured, and all references remain clickable so you can verify and explore each source. Every reference is drawn from publicly available academic papers. Once your manuscript is ready, you can export it in multiple formats, Word, LaTeX, or Markdown, and choose from popular citation styles. The exported Word file is fully editable, letting you adjust content, formatting, and layout as needed. If you need a systematic review or meta-analysis, you can switch to the Reviewer module. It generates a full outline of your literature review, including a Prisma diagram, keyword selection strategy, and methodology details. The tool structures your review by outlining background, objectives, methodologies, results, and conclusions. For example, in a literature review on material science and computational chemistry, the system can process hundreds of papers, extract relevant studies, and present results in tables, graphs, and a detailed discussion linking findings to gaps in the literature. All figures and references are fully accessible and verifiable. In just a few minutes, by providing a title and key details, you can produce a well-written research or review paper with a professional tone. You can access Gatsby using the link in the description, and for any guidance or suggestions, check the comments or visit our website. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.